Well, hey there everyone. It's been a few weeks since I posted a video, so nice to be back after having yet another cold that totally modified my voice. Today I'm going to show you how to make lip balms, super fun and easy. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Rachel. This is my wild backyard here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. I love to source some of my botanicals from my backyard and some of my inspiration as well. So I have an exciting update on my Etsy shop and my products. I am switching to oval lip balm tubes. I've been using round for a while, but this, oh my goodness, they're not that much more expensive, but they fit better in your pockets and they don't roll off the table. Super excited about this. So I'm a bit of a rebel and I like to use clear tubes and clear labels. I will be switching to more of a frosted label, but I know they're not as pretty as lots of colors on the label, but I don't really care because you can see what's in it and then you know exactly how much is left. So you don't get any surprises and run out and don't have another one on backup ready to go. So I'm going to take you into my kitchen right now and we're going to make these lip balms together. I already measured out all of my hard fats into this Pyrex heat resistant container and I'm gonna melt that down. But in the meantime, I always try to get all of my other supplies together. So I have some gloves to keep it sanitary, all of my oils and butters, and then of course my flavors. And most of the time I just use DoTerra essential oils because a lot of them are safe for ingestion. So I'm just gonna melt all of these down in my homemade double boiler system here. And the things that have the highest melting point would be definitely the beeswax, and then the cocoa butter isn't too far behind that. Once those are all melted down, I add in my liquids. So I've got some hemp oil, vitamin E, and some olive oil, and some castor oil, of course, which is a nice humectant, which keeps that moisture on your lips for longer. So of course you know to just hit tare between each one so it's zeroing out. And because this is small amounts, I make sure to measure in grams. And then you usually need about 2 or 3 drops at least for flavor, whether you're doing essential oils or other types of flavors. And then you want to mix it really good to make sure that it is evenly distributed, because as that beeswax cools, that will kind of help evenly trap the flavors within the entire tube. So I bought this silicone oval holder here along with the tubes, and that makes it really easy so it's not dripping down the sides. And then I just try to carefully pour into each one so I don't have any extra left on top. But you can wait until it hardens, scrape it off, and then melt it down in the microwave, whatever's left, and you'll often have enough left over for another tube. So my favorite part, once they harden for 10-15 minutes, is to put on the labels. So then they're all sealed up and ready to go. I designed my own labels on Canva because I have a Canva Pro account, and then I buy blank lip balm labels with the safety seal from onlinelabels.com. And I get the kind that are for laser printer, not inkjet, because I feel like those ones last a little bit longer. And I have been using clear, but I am switching to frosted, as I mentioned. I feel like it'll provide a slightly cleaner and more professional look while still being mostly see-through. And these are really cool because you can make them pretty affordably and you can put all of your contact information, so it's almost like handing out a business card. So these are great to give out as samples if you're trying to get your name out there for your business more. And of course, if you're selling these and they're not for personal use, you want to make sure that you're including all ingredients in the correct order with plain English and international nomenclature, and make sure you have your mass on there, your contact information. So you'll want to do your own research on all of the labeling requirements. One of my new favorite lip balm flavors is actually lavender, because lavender essential oil is very healing for the skin. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below. What are your favorite lip balm flavors? Well, that is it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this super fun and helpful. Let me know how it goes for you, and I will see you guys in the next one soon.